How to remove broken exhaust manifold bolt from a cylinder head. Step 1. Remove manifold. Step 2. Clean bolt head as much as possible. I like to use a drill and wire brush. Step 3. Disconnect the battery and hook up your welder. Step 4. Weld to the broken bolt to build up a larger area. Step 5. Grab a loose nut from spare hardware bin and weld it to the broken bolt. Fill that bit with weld. Step 6. Grab your channel locks and remove the broken bolt with ease. Final step. Show all your coworkers your accomplishment. Everyone loves to see an extracted bolt.